This is our functional forests Zeytinalani implementation site, and we begun working here approximately a couple of years ago. It's a barren land with lots of rocks and no organic material in the soil whatsoever, and we've been planting rigorously over 6,000 trees in the meantime, and we're planning on planting another 20 to 30,000. In and amongst the rows we're planting grains, seasonal grains, and we have a lot of varieties on the property. I just want to give you a general feeling of how we're situated here so you can get a sense, and you can see that our grains are now gently showing themselves, and it just provides a beautiful sight. We do look very much forward to welcoming you here anytime that will be possible for you. Much love and greetings from Turkey.